During that meeting, the question was raised as to whether there is really a need to privatize a Veterans Hospital, Behavioral Center, and Veterans Clinic on island. And according to Chairman Peter Skro, all but one person was adamant that there is a need.
Our entire council was shocked at what Senator Adams said. He basically said he didn't believe in it because we don't have enough data. And, my response was, I said, look at the video that just showed. Our veterans are crying. Our veterans are not registering because they're frustrated. And I don't know about you, Senator Adams, but, I care, and a lot of us care about the health care of veterans.
In response, Senator Tom Maddock clarifies his position when it comes to a facility that would benefit veterans. He says he would be in support of it.
But, do we need the kind of facility that is being proposed? I stated that I really wasn't sure at this point because the data was just not there, and that's just my conservative nature. Now, numbers were being asked, how many veterans do we have on island? And numbers range from 1,200 to as many as 27,000.
The Veterans Affairs Office estimates that there are approximately 27,000 veterans, but only a fraction of them have registered, making it difficult to count. Senator Adams says that according to the Veterans Administration in Hawaii, there are 7,000 registered veterans, and based on this, there is just not enough data. Adams says he just isn't convinced at this point that it is needed. He says, it seems as if the thinking is build it and they will come. And some people are not convinced that would be the case. While Skro agrees that the data is poor, he says the senator has a fiduciary duty as a senator to help find the data.
You have a fiduciary duty as a senator to help find that data. You have more resources than we do. And we're using our own private money. We're volunteering our time to this effort. And I was shocked. I mean, his whole premise for, basically not supporting this was that the data wasn't there.
No, it's not. First of all, each individual veteran, it's incumbent upon them to get on the website for e-benefits and to register themselves. For my part as a senator, I have introduced legislation to help facilitate the registration so that we can identify who are the veterans. But to suggest that as a senator, I have the fiduciary responsibility to get this data and to get veterans registered is a bunch of bunk.
And while Adams says, show me the numbers, Skro is adamant that they will get the data. He says the council will be conducting an island-wide veterans registration drive to make it convenient for veterans to register. The registrations will be held at malls, supermarkets, and other venues throughout the island. He says it is crucial that veterans register so that the data can be provided and the Veterans Center for Excellence built. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Jolene Tovis.
Why do they go back? I have a good idea.